Hello, hello, it's Maria from Coda. So building healthy habits takes time, accountability, and commitment. And sometimes it's hard to really hold yourself accountable unless you have a tool that's really helping you. And that's why if you're ever trying to start a new exercise routine, I really like this Coda template, the exercise tracker. So let's take a look. I'm going to head over here to our templates, and we'll go ahead and decide to add this exercise tracker. And let's take a look at how this is put together. There's two different tables that work together. The first is a list of all the exercises that I want to do. I want to do a minute of planks, 30 sit-ups, and 10 push-ups. And then I can mark if I did it today with this button. The other part is the exercise log, and this is being populated by the buttons up here. So if I say, hey, I did a minute of planks, notice down here on July 10th, 1 minute of planks gets added from that button. And I could do the same thing for 30 sit-ups and 10 push-ups, and maybe I did another 10 because I was feeling really lucky. Now, if you do something that's not on the list, we also have this particular button that lets you add in other elements. So I could say, oh, you know what? The exercise I did was I ran 10 miles. Oh my goodness, how exciting. And now that's also added to my exercise log. So I'm getting a really nice list of everything I'm doing. Now, if you want to supercharge this, customize it, know that you can always add new exercises up here to the top, and you can really choose how you want that to be. You can also decide, instead of seeing your exercise log in this log format, maybe I want to change how I see it so it's more of a chart view, so I can see how I'm doing over time. Well, what I could do is I could just click Display, choose Chart, and then I could decide maybe I want it to be a bar chart so I see how often I did certain things, or I want to maybe see it as a date so I can notice for how I did by date. Maybe I don't want it to be a bar chart. Maybe I want it to be a line chart so I can see how I'm doing over time. So you can also choose to segment by the exercise. So how did I do each other day? So you're starting to get some really nice overarching views of how things are going. The other good news, if you always are having your phone on you when you're exercising, you can just quickly open it up on your phone, do a swipe, and the button will show up there too. So you can log it even when you're on the go. All right, have some fun, start exercising, and we wish you well with your new habits.